Before 1920, before 1920, coronary heart disease was rare in America. That when a young guy named Paul Dudley introduced the German electrocardiograph, they advised him to concentrate on a more profitable machine. But in those days, arteries were a medical rarity, and White, the guy who made it, had to literally search out people to find people for this problem to benefit from the machine. The next 40 years, it rose dramatically in the 1950s. It's 40% of the heart disease that's going on, and it's because the increase of oils, seed oils, and the decrease of animal fat.